questions, please feel free. I'm going to stop sharing my screen. Please feel free to unmute yourselves, ask any questions. If you want to throw it in the chat, throw it in the chat. I know we do still have a few people on. And I'm here to answer anything. And listen, guys, there's no stupid questions. The only stupid question is one that you do not ask. So please, if you have any questions, ask them. I'm here to answer anything. Casey, Dang, Kanika, what's up, John? What's up, John? Matt, it was Sparks was Anthony, Nick. Any questions? Any questions? If not, that means that I did a fairly well job today, or you're just not interested, which hopefully it means I did a fairly well job. Casey, you're very, very welcome. Dang fam, you're very, very welcome.
Hey, Brian.
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. From what you said, it's really interesting. And I have a question here. So beside the what is it? Do I have like the what is it? What is it? I don't know how. My English is not very good. Just give me a second here.
Yeah, take your time.
So do I learn also like a stock exchange in the academy? Is there?
So we don't. So here's the cool thing about the Forex market. Okay, you have the stock market that you can trade, right?
Yeah.
With Forex, you can actually trade that entire financial market in the Forex platform. Okay. So you don't have to trade individual stocks. You can literally trade the financial market, like the US 30, which are the top 30 US companies, the S&P 500, which is like the top 500, the top 500 companies, the NASDAQ 100. You can actually trade. Those are called indices. You can actually trade on the Forex platform. You can trade. Okay. You can trade because if you watch the New York Stock Exchange, and if it's going up, the market's getting more valuable. If it's going down, the whole market is getting less valuable. You can actually trade the value of the entire stock exchange. Okay. So on the Forex market, so we don't really learn how to trade in the stock exchange per se. We only trade in the Forex market, and then we trade. We just started trading in the binary options market, so it's different brokers. But we usually just focus on Forex trading. We might actually have a stock division that might open up to where if people want to learn stock trading as well. I know some of our Dynasty Exchange traders were wanting to maybe get into a little bit of stock trading. So if Epic Trading doesn't offer it, Dynasty Exchange might offer it as an added feature, just a bonus.
Okay. Oh, just curious. And also, what about like cryptocurrency? Like, do you guys have anything covered about that?
Yep, we just implemented at the beginning of the year a crypto educational section. Yep, learning about crypto. And the gentleman that I told you about that took 500 to over 1 million in 89 days, he's a crypto, like he's phenomenal. He's amazing with crypto. That's his focus. He's actually part of Dynasty Exchange as well. Yeah. And you get to learn directly from him. He's the head of crypto.
Awesome. So, yeah, I just trying to find the opportunity to learn as much as I can, because I have no idea about stock or this is.
I mean, honestly, stock trading, when you learn Forex trading, you're not going to give a crap about stock trading. But we do a lot of heavy crypto trading as well. There's a lot of people in the Forex that kind of really enjoy intermingling those two. But stocks is kind of this is my eyes. Stock is kind of out there because I could trade the entire stock market on the Forex market and make insane money and not have to worry about putting it into individual stocks.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. So, but yeah, crypto, we definitely do binary options, which is another thing. And then of course the Forex market, it's a pretty crazy opportunity what we have here.
Yeah. This is the first time I heard about Forex market today, actually.
Well, hopefully I did a great job at
No. Yeah. I really understand it. So from what you compare it, stock market is like like a little kid to
yes
do the stock market
yes
or the
yes
Forex market here.
yes, that's a good way to look at it. It's a child compared to a you know a very well educated um like exactly like you said, it's like a little kid that you wouldn't even want to pay attention to.
Yeah. So like Casey just asked a question.
Yeah, I was just looking at that. How often would you be able to claim your profits? So Casey, so do you mean how often can you claim your profits, or how often can you withdraw your money? Because I'm thinking that might be what you're more referring to, is how often can you pull money out to where you can actually physically have the money? Is that what you're asking? Or do you mean how often can you withdraw? Okay. Honestly, I mean, so Casey, if you built your, let's say that you put $1,000 in your account and you built your broker account up to $10,000, right? You build your broker account up to $10,000. You can withdraw $100 every single day if you want. Every single day. Now, remember in the beginning when I was talking about brokers, though, I did say that withdrawal time is one of the things you want to pay attention to. Some brokers allow you to withdraw in Bitcoin, okay, in Bitcoin, and you can do that within a couple of hours. Some of them allow you where you withdraw, and it's kind of like an ACH where they do a direct deposit into your, like a wire transfer into your bank account. Those can take 3 to 5 days or 5 to 7 days or something like that. But you can, I mean, I don't really think there's a withdrawal limit per se. If you wanted to withdraw all your money out of your broker account, you can withdraw all your money. Again, that's going to fall on reliability too. Reliability. But yes, by law, you're supposed to if you want to withdraw all your money, you can withdraw it all at one time, or you can withdraw a little bit. Anytime you want to withdraw, you just every day you can submit a request to withdraw money, a little bit of money if you want. Absolutely. So there's not really a restriction on that. You just have to go through the request, the withdrawal request process for each broker. So hopefully that answered your question. Any more questions?
I have another question about the what is it? About the pips here. So for example, if I buy into this Forex, so if I found a pip is good, so I can sell it at any point, or
no? So yeah. So what happens if you're doing an analysis on one of the graphs on the computer screen, right? And your analysis, remember I said those candlesticks tell a story. If your analysis tells you that the market is most likely going to go into a heavy downtrend or a heavy uptrend, then you would just place your trade accordingly, a buy or a sell. And you can do that at any time. You can place a buy anytime. I can go onto my phone right now and just click the buy button if I want. I can click it 100 times if I want. It'll place 100 buys as long as I have enough money and margin to allow it. But
so there's no because I heard a lot about closing market, so it doesn't even
well, when the market closes, when the market closes, then on Friday, then you can't place any trades over the weekend. The only thing you can place a trade on is crypto over the weekend. Casey, nice. You have a great night too. Thank you so much for coming. I look forward to seeing you on the inside, Casey. I'm always available. Whoever brought you will let you know, Casey, that I'm always available, always here to reach out to. So have a great evening, Casey. Thank you for joining. So dang. So a pip is really just how the score is kept, but you can get in on a trade anytime you want. There's no, as long as it's within those 5 days, 24 hours, you can place a trade anytime you want. As long as you have enough money in your account to place a trade, then you can place a trade whenever.
Okay, that sounds good.
Yeah, I mean, there's people. So we actually have some of our Dynasty Exchange traders, master traders. They do what we call a scalping session. And it's Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursdays. And scalping is a style of trading. Okay. What that means is scalping is quick trades, meaning you could place a trade and only be in the trade for a minute or 5 minutes. you know, or 10 minutes. And then we have intraday trading, which means you could be in a trade for anywhere from 2 hours to 12 hours, you know, something like that. And then we have swing traders, which are more overnight or even over a couple of days or even a week. Then we have long position traders, okay, and investors, which are just longer time periods. You know, those longer ones, sometimes like banks, they can have a trade open for months, you know, 6, 7, 8 months. But what we like to do is we like to do intraday trading or scalping. Scalping is really cool because you literally can place, you know, 20 trades in an hour, you know, and have them all closed and collect 300 pips, you know, because you did so many trades in a short time period. So it really just depends on what style you enjoy, whether it's scalping, whether it's intraday trading, whether it's swing trading. Some people like to swing trade and let their trade stay open for 2-3 days, maybe even 2 weeks, you know? Okay. So it just really depends on what you prefer, what your liking is.
Okay. That sounds pretty.
And you'll be able to learn, you know, a lot of the styles because we have swing traders to learn from. We have scalping traders. We have, you know, they're all of, you know, long position traders.
Those are the information I'll find in the course, I guess.
Yeah, in the course and in the live tradings, the live sessions, when you get to go face to face with them and learn while they're looking at the charts, and they basically teach on the chart.
Yeah.
Their strategy and stuff. So.
Great. Yeah, I guess yeah, I'll look forward to it. So how do you sign up for it?
You said that Charmaine, I believe, invited you. So just get back with Charmaine, and Charmaine will get you plugged in. We'll make sure to get you plugged into whatever you need, and put you through the correct process. Charmaine, if well, just get with Mike. Mike has a really good onboarding process. He has a really simplistic onboarding process. And they'll get you plugged in, and then you'll see me on the inside. You're on my team if you're with Charmaine and Mike. You'll be directly connected to me. So not just Dynasty Exchange, but my personal team. So you'll have access, but everybody in Dynasty Exchange has access to me. So
that's awesome. Okay.
So yeah, get with Charmaine, and Charmaine can get with Mike, and we can get you plugged in right away whenever you're ready. Okay. Yeah. Again, we're not here to force or rush or anything. But
I know.
But when you're ready to learn, definitely get plugged in, and they will make sure to get you plugged in to everything.
Awesome.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, and guys have a good night.
Did I say it right, Dang Fam?
Yeah. You sounded very good.
Awesome. Awesome. But believe it or not, we have a lot of people that are from the Philippines and over in that area and stuff. So
actually I'm from Vietnam. So I used to work with Charmaine before.
Okay.
That's how we know each other.
Where are you at now?
I'm in Fort McMurray.
Where at?
In Canada.
Okay, so yeah, we have a lot, like Mike Dizon, all of them, John, they're all from our Canadian team. I love it. We got a big Canadian team up there. Mike Dizon's killing it out there. So yeah, Mike Dizon's kind of like your leadership up there. He's like
leader.
He's like one of the top leaders out there for he's amazing, and he was on a while ago, but he's an amazing dude. So definitely be happy that you're linked to him, because he's an amazing leader. So and then of course you'll have access to him, myself, Charmaine, John, everybody, all of us. We're all family. As soon as you get involved with DX, we become family instantly. So I will see you in the chats when you come aboard. I'll see you in the chats. Mike will put you in the chats, and we'll get you plugged into all of our our community.
Yeah, awesome. Can't wait for that. Sure.
Cool. Elaine, any questions? You cool? Kanika jumped off. No questions. Okay. All right, cool.
I don't have any question right now.
Okay, awesome. Thank you for coming on. Where are you at, Elaine?
Yeah, we are in New Haven, Connecticut.
Oh, okay. Where are you from? I hear an accent.
Yeah, from Africa, Burundi.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So we are trying to see if we can get some people from different country.
Yes.
But
yes. We actually have
from,
some people. We have some people in Africa. We have a team in Africa.
wow. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Where?
I know we have some in Nigeria. Where else? I'm trying to think where else we have people.
Because so when are we gonna start getting in the other languages like French or Swahili?
As far as like the e-courses you're talking about?
Yes, because right now I have like 3 months. 3 months I'm learning. We are in the coach Max group.
Oh, okay, okay.
And yes, and I'm just trying to found up to learning how can get more people.
How to have it? Okay, so how to have it translated into other languages, so we can.
Yes, so that's where there is a problem. So we are trying to translating them.
Yeah, it's
but it's kind of a little bit difficult.
Yeah,
if we get in French or Swahili, it will be better.
I'm sure that because they are only what 4 or 5, like 6 months old. Once they get all of the bugs and stuff ironed out and all that good stuff, they will probably start to try to work on those type of things, because they are a global company. I'm sure that they are going to want to get stuff translated and stuff like that eventually, because I mean, what good is it being global if you can't benefit the people that don't speak English? So yeah, I'm sure that we'll probably start working on that soon. I'll mention that to Max though, because we know that she's part of Dynasty Exchange. She's part of Epic Trading Corporate. So
what is the difference? The XC and Coach Max, is the same or are different?
Yeah, Coach Max is Dynasty Exchange.
Okay.
Yeah, we're just all one big team.
Okay.
Inside of Epic.
Oh, okay. Because we have a team for Swahili and for Kirundi.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yes, we have it here. We have it here, but sometimes we get like 2, 3, 5 people coming in on the meetings. Yes.
Well, I mean, if you're in Coach Max's organization, you're welcome to utilize this. Obviously for people who understand English, you're welcome to utilize my class, my presentation. For if you have people that you want to, show what Forex is, you're welcome to bring them onto this call.
So when do you do this class?
Right now, I do it Monday, Thursday, and Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern time.
Okay, I will make sure that if I get people which speak English, I'm gonna give them this link so they can. They can. Yes.
And then all I do is I just tell them to go back to whoever brought them to my presentation, which would be you, and to get with you to get plugged in. So I educate them and send them right back to you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, no more questions. I know John is already part of the team. So Elaine, it was a pleasure having you on my call. And yes, if you want to hop on anytime, feel free. If you got if you got prospects that you want friends that you want to bring on just to knowledge and see if they want to be a part of this, definitely bring them on my call. I encourage it.
Thank you very much.
Okay. All right. Well, you have a great evening and enjoy your Monday night or whatever. Yeah, you're in Connecticut. So yeah, it's almost 10 o'clock. So enjoy the rest of your Monday.
So where are you now?
I'm in Florida.
Oh, Florida. Okay.
Yep. So I'm here on the East Coast as well.
Okay. Yes.
I'm not feeling the cold weather like you are.
Yes, here it's cold.
I'm not feeling the cold weather. I could go to the beach right now. So, but
that's nice.
But be safe with all the storms. Be safe with all the storms because I know a lot of places.
But right now we are losing people. I have like 18 people, 19 people under my lines, but some people they are quitting.
Oh yeah.
But yes, because they don't listen in language.
Oh,
if we should have this in Swahili or in French,
yeah.
Yes, yeah.
I hear you. Okay. So we'll have to try to figure that out and then let them know that, hey, we got it now. You need to come back because it's in Swahili.
Because we have Swahili is now we can found it in Microsoft now. So which may be easy now to translate it if it's possible.
Okay.
Yes. So
I'll mention that to
program
Coach
in
Max.
Swahili and the French, we may get more people in Swahili and the French. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I'll mention that to Max and see.
Thank you very much.
I'll have to try to translate it and stuff. So I'm sure eventually we'll have some sort of translation platform or something.
Maybe if they want, if there's a possibility, if they give me permission, I can translate the book, the Bible, the Bible.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah, that one I can translate it in French and the Swahili if they give me permission.
That's interesting.
Yeah, if they give me permission, I can put it in a. We're afraid to do it because we think maybe it's against the law.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to mention that to Max.
Okay.
I'll have to mention that to her.
Okay. Thank you very much.
So, yeah. No worries. All right. Well, have a good night. John, have a good night. Verlisa, we're actually just now finishing up. We've been on since 8. I see that you have your number. So you're actually a Dynasty Exchange member. So we're actually getting ready to call. I'm actually getting ready to log off right now. So we've been going since 8. So I'm sorry about it. But we are logging off now. Okay. Elaine, have a great one. John, have a great one. Verlisa, 8 o'clock. Thursday, 8 o'clock is my next one. If you want to log on.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right, guys. Take care.